Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add WelcomeBot in your Discord server. First, what you're gonna do is click on the arrow just right here and then go to app directory. Then from here, search for the ProBot and then do enter. And then we want to add this ProBot in our Discord server. Right now we click on ProBot, then do add app, go to the visit site link, and from here log into your Discord and select the Discord where you want to add the bot in. From here, click on continue, click on authorize. Show them that we are a human. And right now we are in the ProBot settings. From here, we click on welcome and goodbye. Then send a message when a user joins the server, turn that on. And after that, type or write down the text that you want to send. So what I want to do is welcome. Then open this one, do user init, close it, and then to the best Discord server. Now what you're gonna do is you can choose to send this as a DM to this person. I want to send this to a channel, then select the channel, hashtag welcome, and right now we do save settings. Alright, now what we're gonna do is go to our Discord server, escape. And right now, if you can see, our ProBot is in our Discord server. And right now, I want to send an invite to my friend. So I invite my friend just right here. And right now, my friend joined this Discord server. And if you can see, welcome Casper to the best Discord server. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.